Hello wonderful developers, and welcome to part 3 of our journey of learning how to code for Elrond. And this time you're gonna get really compressed. I'm changing the format. So you're not gonna watch me doing mistakes and figuring out how to get things done. This time I had that part on my own, and I'm just gonna present you the code. But first, demo. Let's see what we will have and how our application behaves right now. So now the application is the state that we can actually send funds towards our crowdfunding contract. This is how we authenticate using the wallet. Take the key store, fill in the password, and there you go. So now our wallet has the balance, and also there's the crowdfunding contract balance. And this is new. We will have a send funds button, and this is how we can send funds. So we're gonna send 0. Actually, this is a bit more generous. We're gonna send 0.1 euro. And we delete the access wallet, and as you see, the web wallet received the correct amount of 0.1 euro, and we're going to send that to our crowdfunding contract. And there you go, 0.001. So let's just send one more. We're going to send 0.2 euro this time. Let's do. So yes, is the correct amount. We're signing the transaction, and this is what we have right now in our crowdfunding contract. We have 1.3 euro. So let's see how we do this. This is the React part. It's basically how we created this send funds button in the home component. I've just added this button here. When you click on it, it just navigates to the send funds part. So this is new. In the private route, I've added a new route which sends you to the send funds component, and the send funds component, where is it? I guess we can click here, yes. In the send funds component, it's this one that you're actually viewing it right now. And it does have a value in a nominate value. This value is something that human understand, human readable value, like 0.01 Elrond. I understand that, but the nominate value is the actual value that the web wallet API understands, and we need to convert the human readable value into the nominate value. So after sending the funds, the application sends the funds and then redirects you back to home. So I guess that's it as far as the React. This is the part that displays this send funds section. So it's a chakra stack that has the number input with the value and the precision of 4, and of course on change it updates the value itself, and then on click is handling the send funds, and also it decides, because it's using the same method for deciding if the button is active or not, using decide to send the funds, and then we're passing the nominate value. So if the value is too small, 0.001, it's not gonna send it, but it does accept 4 decimals. I use this value because the online contract from the web wallet, web wallet accepts. I saw that it uses 4 decimals. Okay, what is relevant, the Elrond part? How does this one work? So we did cannibalize the contract from the Elrond template, and we actually we had to extend him a little bit. The contract was only sending 0.00003 Elrond all the time, which is very ridiculous considering that I was only able to see, actually I can even show you that this money, these funds here were being sent using the previous version of the contract. So now we can actually add more funds towards the front of the decimal. So how does it work? Okay, the functionality of the send funds application, it has this so we have this field here that collects the information, and we have the value, which is basically the value updated by this field, and then also have the denominator that we are sending this denominator and passing this value to the contract. And so in the send funds, the important bit is the following. Of course, there's still React part here because we have the value and then set value, and set value is actually used by the handle change. If we go here, this method is basically setting the value from the field and then updates the value. Okay, and now in here we have a use effect that computes this nominate value all the time, this one from here. So what do? I'm just getting the value and I'm translating it to string, and then from here I split it by the comma. So I have an int part and a decimal part, and the int part I'm only assigning to the value if that part is different, it is defined. So also this, I'm doing the same, the decimal part, and I'm saying, yeah, the decimal part is set to 0, the strings of 0, and I'm only if it's undefined, I'm saying the precision. Oh yeah, I forgot about this part. So I have the precision. I know that I want to use 4 decimals, so I'm also using this for the field that controls how many decimals I collect. And also I know, with a very helpful comment from YouTube, I forgot the name, but you know what, learn Elrond. So part 1, it was here, very helpful comment. This one, so Dragos Rebeja, thank you Dragos Rebeja. So this wonderful person sent to me, internally everything is 10 to the 18th, actually not 10 to the 18, is everyone is working with 18 decimals. So this is why I'm just hard-coded here the Elrond precision, and then the trailing 0 is basically the remaining precision, and it's the Elrond precision minus my precision, and these are my trailing zeros. And I'm doing basically the same in this part. I'm saying, yeah, the decimal part is the repeat 0 of precision time, and the part the actual nominated value now becomes the int part concatenated the decimal part, and also we concatenate what is the remaining trailing zeros. Then we set this is the set denominated value, which is this one, and this comes back to now the button of sending funds. So we have it is active only if the value is different than 0, because the 0 I've assigned it saying big int of 0, so I can only send funds if the value is different than that. And well, I should add it here to say it's only bigger than 0, so I don't send negative funds. That would be nice. You can send negative funds to some contract. Okay. Well, I guess you can add the contract, which is nice, but not the point for us to do this. And then after we decide if it's actually like on click we send funds. So we are using the same decision. You only fire this and you use the contract if the funds are bigger than 0. And we instantiate the ground fund, and we pass in the contract address, the centralized application proxy. That's why the application all the times routes ourselves to the web wallet, the base dApp provider, and the denominated value which we computed. And then after the contract sends the funds, we navigate back home. So what we have to change for the ground funds? Not much. I just added the denominated value here, and when sending funds using the wallet, here I am instantiating a new instance of balance with the value of like my denominated value, and that's it. Basically, this is all that I had to do. So the result is quite nice because I can send and I'm sending the funds. I'm signing the transaction here. Come on. Oh, sorry. So the value that I'm sending. So get success, and there you go. The new funds have been updated. That's it. It was pretty straightforward this time. Please let me know if you prefer more this type of format. And thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it and think this is valuable. And see you all next time.